welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delivia again. So today I brought you this look for Xmas. I have done this before and I posted it on my Instagram page and a lot of you wanted a tutorial, so today I'm ready for the tutorial. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. So I separated my Mali hair into 3 sections that I need. So first of all, I'll explain how I got my hair like this. I divided my hair from ear to ear from the first part, and then I put it in a bun, and did the same for the second and the last one. So you have 3 buns, and then I put gel on it and used my scarf to tie it down so it can lay flat like this while I was doing my makeup. So let's start with the hair. So you grab about 5 to 7 pieces of Mali hair, and then you use your band and put it here like this in the middle, and then attach it to your own hair and secure it well. Like so. And now I'll use one section of it. You also need bobby pins for the hairstyle. So I'll just remove them from the pack. So I'll start by wrapping the hair inwards like this. I'm just trying to adjust it before I pin it down. I'll use one pin on this side and another pin on the other side so that it doesn't unravel even when you're dancing at your Christmas party like this. So this is the first one, and then I'll take the second half of the first one that I sent behind. I'll do the same. I'll fold it inwards like this, you see, and then I'll try to make this one to cover my own bun so that it will not show my original hair. So this one will be covering it like this. Then I'll secure it and use another pin on the other side. You can always come back to adjust it if it doesn't look the same. So one of it gave me 2 of these folded buns. And then I'll use the second one and attach it on the second half like this. Again, I'll do the same. And then to the last one, I will just turn and do it so you can see. I will attach it. Now I made this last one form just one bun. I will not separate it like I've done with the other two. I'll just use the entire hair as one, like this. So now you have something like this. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'll just go ahead with the extra pins that I have left to secure it very well, because I only did two pins on each bun. So now I can arrange it well. So yeah, it is quite simple. So now I will just give you a final look of the hair, the side, the back, the other side, the front. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and I'll see you girls in my next video. Merry Christmas.